Hi friends! In this video, we will make some slime with Mermagic slime bottle. It says, shake it up, make your own magical slime. But hey, it also includes a surprise toy. So we are going to make our magical slime. What slime? Mermaid slime. So this is the theme. Well, first let's unwrap this. Come on! Yes, it's coming slowly. There! My hands are tired. Okay, let's throw these in the trash. Here it is, a pink bottle. Now let us open this. Crack! There we go. Some ingredients to make our slime. So we have 4 ingredients here. So we have glue bottle, we have slime activator bottle, we have an instruction sheet, and they also gave us some beads to add into our slime. But wait, they gave us something else. Yes, a surprise toy. And it is an octopus. So cute, isn't it? They gave us a surprise toy, which is said in the cover. So we will take this bowl. First, we use the glue. Here is the glue bottle. So we open it like this and pour in the glue into the bowl. Come on, faster! My hands are getting tired. Okay, it's almost done. Just a little bit more. And done! We have the glue. Now we add some color. So there are 6 colors to choose from. So which color should we choose? Well, we have bright colors. Let's see. So should we choose yellow, red? Ugh, too hard to choose from, right? But since it is a mermaid slime, why don't we choose purple or blue? Let's see. Purple must be good, right? Yeah, let's add purple. So we open purple paint tube. We take this bowl of glue. Then we take this popsicle stick, scoop in a bit of purple paint and mix it well with the glue, like this. There, purple glue, bright purple glue. Let's close it. And to add some more shine, let us add blue to it. Let's clean it up so that they won't mix. And take a scoop of blue paint from the blue paint bucket. Mix it. Wow, turning good. The color is nice. Okay, we are done. Let's close it. Put it away. And now we have the slime activator. You can see it on the bottle. Open it. Yes, And now we pour in the activator into the glue. A little bit and done. Then we mix it with the popsicle stick. Just for a few minutes. Mix it well so that the slime could be good. It is done, but still it's a bit sticky to the bowl walls. So we have to remove it. After that, now we have our slime unsticky. Isn't it cool? Now we can play with it. It's a bit fun. Slime can be cold because of all the ingredients. Okay, we have our slime kneaded, and then we take these beads and put it in the slime. Cut, cut. There. Pour in the beads like this. And then we mix. Mix it well. And as you know, beads create a crunchy structure to the slime. Then we put it in this bowl and close it as a storage bottle. There. Comment down below which slime color you like the best.